We are here on the eastern slopes of the City of David National Park, where excavations have been exposing amazing remains dating back to the First Temple period. To my left is the fortification of the city dating to the First Temple period, and to my right, a series of buildings which we have been exposing, which were originally constructed in the 8th century BCE and continued to exist until the Babylonian destruction in 586 BC. Very surprisingly, when we exposed the earliest remains within this building, we found a row of vessels, and from what we know historically, Jerusalem was not destroyed in this period. We began to try and think of what could be behind this destruction, and we found ourselves looking at the first verse in the book of Amos, which mentions an earthquake. Remains of destructions from this earthquake were exposed in various sites in Israel, but this is the first time where we find remains in Jerusalem which could be related to that earthquake.
רעידת האדמה הייתה כל כך חזקה שהתושבים שהגיעו לכאן בנו בעצם מעל ההריסות, וזה אפשר לנו לבוא ולגלות את כל הכלים היפים שמצאנו פה. כלי שולחן מאוד קטנים, פקים, שיכולו נוזלים, וכלי הגירה מאוד גדולים שהמיוחד בהם היה פיטס, שעל הידית שלו עיצור מיוחד בצורה של פרצוף. רעידת האדמה הזאת השתמרה כל כך בתודעה של אנשי יהודה, 200 שנה אחר כך הנביא זכריה מדבר על הרעש הגדול שהיה פה.
If this is in fact related to the earthquake mentioned in Amos, this is the first time where such remains have been found in Jerusalem relating to the earthquake that was noted in the biblical text.
The City of David, where it all began.